Hi, and you're very welcome back to this episode on the integration between Shopify and Enterprise. I'm Sharon from Enterprise, and in this session, we'll simply look at how you can manage your products further within the Shopify store and how to follow through with your order or invoice and payment within Enterprise. So let's get you started. So looking within your Shopify online store, if we check in then on the products, so we click in here to products and all products. You'll see any of those that have been uploaded directly from Enterprise because you can see here the store that they've been linked to. So the vendor is the Enterprise store as we chose within Enterprise. You can see here for each item we've got the image, we've got whether the item is active, and more importantly we've got the inventory. So this inventory tracking is all done within Enterprise. So if we click on any of those items just to view the details, you can see here, because we've linked Shopify to the private app for Enterprise, you can see inventory managed by the Enterprise fulfillment. So as simple as that. So there's all of the items that we've uploaded so far. So let's take a step further and look at the online store. So for the purpose of this demonstration, we've just a very simple setup on an online store. So here we have the home page with some contact information and some lovely imagery. So if we click on the catalog here to see all the items, so of course your web store might have various collections, groups within the catalogs. So obviously this will be in line with your design and your organization. So we can click on any of the items here. We can click in, for example, to this first item here, and we can hover over the item, and then if I want to add it to the cart. So what I'm going to do is proceed with ordering this item and take it through to Enterprise to see what happens with the order and the payment. So let's go and add it to the cart, and let's view the cart and complete our shopping. So we've got the quantity, we know we can change that. So let's just check out at this stage. Put in an email address and put in the shipping address. Okay, so let's continue on, and we can see here you can apply your discounts and what we're normally used to seeing on the customer side. So let's continue to shipping. And let's continue to the payment. So we've got free delivery. So for the purpose of this demonstration, let's just put through some information. Just to let you know, of course, this is a dummy credit card for the purpose of the demonstration, so can't be used in a live payment scenario. So let's just pay now. Okay, and the order is now processed. So let's jump right back into Enterprise and see what's happened on the Enterprise side with regards to the order and the payment. Okay, so now we're back in Enterprise, and on the left-hand side down at the bottom here, if we click onto Shopify to see our Shopify orders, we can see here that at the top we have a pending order for the €50. So what we can do here is click on this order, click on approve, confirm. So this now will create the sales invoice and the payment. So click on OK. Excellent. And we can see there now the status is open. So we can see here the document numbers have been created. So SAP invoice number 114 and the payment number 34. So I can click into the links on either of these to take me to that transaction. So here are the order details, and you can see here the item that the customer chose online, the warehouse, the quantity, the price. So from here, what we can do, of course, is copy to a sales delivery to deliver the goods. a sales invoice, a sales reserve invoice. And of course, the same then with the payment. So back on the Shopify store here, if we look at the dashboard, we can click in to see the payment details. So here are the payment details, and you can see there are references. Each time you look back on the remarks, you'll see that the reference is back to that particular Shopify order. And if we also look here on the home screen dashboard, we should be able to see the transactions feed as well updated. Just let this refresh. And we can see the order and the incoming payment that were created today for those amounts. So as you can see, the process is simple, that once the customer has placed the order and made a payment, the information automatically comes through to Enterpryze for you, and the inventory fulfillment is taken care of as well. So if we go back to items and stock report, and if we look at the backpack, we can see here that the total available, which was originally at 998, has now reduced to 997. So that's as a result of the order gone through. The on hand, of course, will decrease once the order has been delivered to your customer. Hope that's helped you to understand further. So if you require any further help, don't forget to check out the Help Centre on help.enterpryze.com, where you'll find further articles to help you in regards to Shopify and other integrations with Enterpryze. Thank you for watching.